So, of course, this isn't going to be tall enough, so you're looking upside down. Oh yeah, plenty of room. Down or up? Maybe up. Alright. So I brought out alcohol, and I can stand up there. So I've already brought out my alcohol. I've wiped it down once with soap and water and let it dry. And now I got my alcohol. And I'm just going to wipe it down up as high as I can reach. And I'm ditching around that because I do have the reflector that goes there. I just have to get it put on. Okay. So that's wiped down. Not a lot of stuff came off. I'll let that dry for a couple of minutes. And I'll see if I can't find that reflector that goes there. And I'll do that while the train's going by. So I'll be back. Tried to save the package that it came in so that I can keep the stickers flat. And what I'll do is I'll keep the sticker part of it underneath one of the beds up here. That way they stay flat. I just don't have a way to make the camera higher, so sorry. Yeah, so maybe I'll put that up there, and maybe down here, and then put Lori's RV life. Blah 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 there. Maybe I will put it down here. Straight across. Let me get something to my level to level this, and I'll be right back. It'd be a good idea to put it up there level, right? Hold on. Alright, I'm back with the level. I'll probably end up muting out that music and putting something else in, and try hopefully be able to see what I'm doing just by watching. Alright, it's up. Sorry about the noisy music in the background, but they're having something over there. But it's up, it's all smooth. Check that one off my list. Yay! Oh, I almost fell. Cool. I'm glad it's small. I was afraid it was going to be really big, but it wasn't. And then this, like I said, I'll show you where I'm going to store it. Under this pad right here, it's a very flat, very sturdy surface that never gets moved for any reason. So I've got the mattress, and I've got a layer of Reflectix, and this, the sticker part of the mat. I guess I could have put the California one on there since I'm here, but I'm just going to stick it right here. I think it'll be safe. It won't get crunched or bent up or anything. So, my next if you can see me. My next task is to find a place to put Kitty up. It's supposed to look like she's reaching out of a wall or something, and her paw you put it on separately. I haven't quite figured out where to put it. Maybe I'll take a look around outside and see if I can come up with a place, and if I find it, I'll bring you back.